All right, we're up and running. How's it going, guys? Happy Sunday. Welcome. I'm the founder of Solar Energy and Technology. Uh, just to give you a small background of what I do, I work with solar panels. I do solar installations for residences, commercial units. And when it really comes down to it, what I look at blockchain, it gives us a new level of freedom. Getting invited to this hackathon, this past year has been kind of crazy. I got my certification for, the NABCEP. I got great opportunities, to actually make a difference, I feel, because power is what moves this country, this world. And it's really sad to see the problems that we run into on the infrastructure that's currently in place. A lot of the times we run into issues and you could solve them yourself. The problem that we're having right now is that energy generation is a valuable, data rich asset, but its financialization is broken. So, what we have to do is the manual overhead, the RECs, the renewable energy credits, they rely on an older system. It's manual, it's slow, the verification is expensive, the auditing takes a long time. The whole process is opaque. We love that word today, opaque, because we're moving into a new era. Now, with that process comes the price increase. When we see greenwashing, we could avoid these problems with basic blockchain technologies. Now, tokens that are pegged, to other tokens like XRP and Bitcoin, they confuse people. A lot of people get lost in the mix. When it comes to USDC, we're talking people's bank accounts. Now we're hitting their checkings. Now we're able to go into their savings. And I believe I have the solution. SOLRARC is a verification as a service protocol. We automate the entire system. We do the proof of generation through an AI automated risk agent. We also have the compliance check with the whitelisting of the blockchain addresses before you're even able to put your system in. The USD settlement gives you sub-second finality, so you're able to generate power and have it go instantly to your wallet. Now, it's very simple how this works. Us as a company will take a small fee, a 1 penny for every SOLRARC that's minted. The staking is a capability that we're looking to grow on in the future. But all we're looking to do is really get the energy back on chain in the most proper way it could. Now, our plan is very simple. We have currently our AI agents in the hackathon. Thank you for the opportunity. We'd love to be here. Everybody that's been doing all the work, I've been getting super inspired, and I really pushed myself to get this to where it needed to be. With the Q2, we're looking, to have a complete third-party contract audit. We're looking to build on other chains. We're looking to leverage, my own assets, the interests of other people in the community. Let's really build. Let's build something that's fun and unique. Our growth starts here. But the core takeaway is that we have built an infrastructure of autonomous, intelligent, real-world assets. What we look to do is to expand with what we have as a company with Solar Play, Solar Muse, and all of our other tokens in our ecosystem. It's really going to integrate drive for the community. Now,
Sorry, are you switching slides? Because we're not. This is, I think we figured it out. Yeah, it's not moving.
that's not cool.
Maybe stop sharing and start again.
Oh, jeez. No, that kind of just messed up my whole thing. Apologize. So what I'll do is I'll just show you guys my app. I apologize for the technical difficulties.
All good.
I'm so sad you didn't see my presentation. So my app is simple. I think simplicity scales. So what I'm looking to do, I'm looking to revolutionize solar energy. It's an AI-powered tokenization platform turning solar energy into digital assets with blockchain class security, AI-driven automation, and instant USD settlement. What we're going to do in this demo pretty much connects directly to your Circle wallet. It shows you your balance in SOLRARC, your USD balance, your total generated, and your total earned. Now, as a solar system owner, you have a system capacity of 10 kilowatts, a daily cap of 100. You have a daily use, which is currently right now 0. It shows you your lifetime energy production and how much you've earned. Now, when we go to our overview, you're able to see your recently confirmed transactions. But it's very simple. When the energy is generated daily, you have a daily amount of 100 kilowatts. We'll do 50 SOLRARC. We'll mint it. The risk and policy agent will verify it. The proof of generation agent will verify that as well in our systems using API keys from NRail. And Desire, which is also, it's like the organization that gives the price rates for the kilowatts that are produced from solar panel arrays. Now, when we want to redeem, we're going to redeem 50. Here, it's a simple process. It's successfully redeemed to your wallet. You go back to your overview, and it goes directly into your USDC balance. Now, what we're looking to do is to make solar generation very simple. Right now, when you are a solar panel owner, you get SRECs, or renewable energy credits. What happens is that takes weeks or months for it to hit your wallet. What we're doing right now is giving you instant finality. Thank you. So how, it's fine. I'll be done. So what we're looking to do, we're looking to partner with 3 pilots. We're looking for commercial and industrial rooftops. We're already a part of community solar programs, and we have a network of installers as well. We're looking to run live ARC testnet flows and provide public case studies. We're looking for ecosystem support, small grants, co-marketing opportunities, priority RPCs, intros to ARC native DeFi teams, and just we're looking to build. We really want to make a difference. We know that the technology here is going to advance. There's so many different amendments that I haven't even had the chance to look at in the past 2 weeks. And just to give you like a brief overview of tokenization, ERC 7208 is the guidelines where we could build out tokenization for any type of assets. When we really start to focus on what matters and what's the right way to do things, we have all the builders in the room to get that done. So I do believe that if you have a dream, you can get it done. Because my main message to everybody is, this is the first time I've really taken an endeavor like this. I haven't really been a super hard coder. I'm a hard worker though. And my message is this: I built this system as, one of my first coding projects. I installed the hardware. I wrote the smart contract logic, and I minted the token on my own wallet. I didn't do this for the recognition, but I proved it to my family, to my friends, and to everyone that this could be done. You don't have to be born into power to empower others. You don't need $1 million seed round to see change. You need will, clarity, and fire. Rest at the end, not in the middle. For me, that time is not now. And this founding milestone is more than a protocol. It's proof of commitment, self-determination, and equity by design.